Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Microbial World. In this video, we are going to learn about gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Have you wondered why doctors care whether a bacterium is gram-positive or gram-negative? Believe it or not, the simple classification decides which antibiotics work, and it even explains why some infections are harder to treat. So let's break down the differences between gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria in an easy way. The Gram stain was developed by Hans Christian Gram in 1884. He noticed that some bacteria retained a purple dye while others did not. This simple observation became one of the most important tools in microbiology, and we still use it today. Based on the cell wall structure, bacteria can be classified into two broad groups, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria have a thick peptidoglycan layer which is 20 to 80 nanometer thick. It contains teichoic acids and lipoteichoic acids which provides rigidity and helps in attachment, but they have no outer membrane. Gram-negative bacteria have a thin peptidoglycan layer which is 7 to 8 nanometer thick. They possess an outer membrane made of lipopolysaccharides, phospholipids and proteins. Lipopolysaccharide contains lipid A which acts as an endotoxin contributing to fever and shock in infections. In the gram staining process, the reagents used include crystal violet, grams iodine, alcohol and safranin. To learn more about the process of gram staining, please watch the previously uploaded videos. The link to the video of gram staining will be provided in the description box. In gram-positive bacteria, the thick peptidoglycan layer traps the crystal violet iodine complex and thus they remain purple in color. Whereas in gram-negative bacteria, alcohol dissolves their outer membrane and washes away the crystal violet. Then they take up the counter-stain safranin and appear pink or red in color. Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, Bacillus and Clostridium are few examples of gram-positive bacteria, and Escherichia coli, Salmonella, Neisseria and Pseudomonas are examples for gram-negative bacteria. Antibiotic resistance. Gram-negative bacteria are harder to treat because the outer membrane in gram-negative bacteria blocks many antibiotics. Gram-positive infections are usually treated with antibiotics like penicillin that target the peptidoglycan layer, whereas gram-negative infections often require broad-spectrum antibiotics such as tetracyclines, carbapenems or fluoroquinolones. So to summarize, we learned that gram-positive bacteria have a thick cell wall, they stain purple in color and are generally easier to kill. But gram-negative bacteria have a thin cell wall plus an outer membrane. They stain pink in color and are often more dangerous and resistant. This tiny difference under the microscope makes a huge importance in medicine. I hope that the video was useful for everyone. Thank you for watching.